This is an arapaima, a large Amazonian fish particularly well suited to its habitat. It lives in lakes and rivers where huge schools of piranhas swarm and attack just about anything that moves. But they don't attack arapaima. That little fact is the kind of thing that gets materials scientist Mark Myers ready for an adventure.
I am a little more adventurous than the average professor, I would say, because I like going fishing in the Amazon. I have gone to Nepal, I'll go to China, and I like to explore and see things around myself.
While he's seeing things, he sees how nature puts materials together and how that form can be borrowed for human engineering. That big fish is safe among hungry piranha because it's wearing super strong, very lightweight armor. It's scales.
To get an idea of how this works, let's go back to 1940. A guy with a good engineering mind is out for a walk and suddenly realizes he's got a burr stuck in his sock. You and I might take the burr and throw it away. He took it out of his sock and looked at it, then looked at his sock and looked at it again and thought, you know, nature's pretty brilliant how it spreads its seed by attaching to things. Then he took it back to the lab and went to work. What came out of that work was Velcro.
Back in his lab, Professor Myers set about testing his hypothesis. Were the arapaima scales too strong for piranha teeth?
We simply took a piranha tooth, and here is cut one of these teeth out here of the piranha, put it on a machine, on a testing machine, and tried to penetrate the arapaima scale.
Not only would the tooth not go through the fish scale, it broke off inside. Next, the professor's team looked at the scale microscopically to learn its structure and how it can be synthesized for human use, perhaps as lightweight armor.
When you look to nature and natural processes, they are generally much more environmentally friendly.
That's Helen Chang, the woman hoping that San Diego becomes the center of this kind of engineering innovation. When people look to solve design challenges, she wants the San Diego Zoo to provide the answers.
Here at the San Diego Zoo, we have the largest and most diverse collection of plants and animals in the world. We have hundreds of keepers, scientists, veterinarians, and behaviorists who can help bridge and translate what nature has to offer to human design solutions.
And it's working. Qualcomm's next generation of smartphone display was designed after unlocking the way peacock feathers illuminate colors. And another San Diego company has unlocked the secrets of tiny organisms called tardigrades, which can dry to a shriveled speck and stay that way for 120 years, maybe more, and rehydrate and be just fine. Scientists can now apply that little trick to DNA samples and potentially save incredible sums of money from how the samples are currently stored.